cutest thing ever, and seems like he starts to like me a little bit. I mean, he spit all over me in the beginning with the milk because it was too cold, but now he seems comfortable. Kangaroos are great, and especially this little boy here. He's so cute, and it seems like he's starting to be comfortable here.
Is this your first real encounter with a kangaroo?
Yeah, it is. Yeah, I've never held a kangaroo before, so it's definitely a special experience.
Tell me about what happened, what you started, this sort of idea to not be boring.
It was last year, and yeah, so okay, I always get asked the same questions, and I always give the same answers because it's tough to answer something different to when you get asked how your match is going or so. But yeah, I had a little incident in the gym. I walked into another treadmill and cut my foot, or cut my shin, and I was like, okay, I'm just gonna make up a story, and I was sure that they wouldn't believe it, so I said that I wanted to help a baby kangaroo and then that it attacked me, and I was obviously joking and I was laughing at the same time, but some of the journalists believed in it and it made the headlines all over the place.
You have to be fairly thick-skinned with the media, don't you? You can't afford to let criticism get you down.
No, I mean, this is a part of your job, and you know, I focus on playing tennis, and that's what I'm good at, and the media, of course, is just a part of the job, but and you'll always get asked many of the same questions, but thankfully some of the media are a bit creative and make it a bit more fun.
And one more question about that divine necklace. Where did that come from?
I got it for Christmas, so it's a Christmas gift from my boyfriend, and I think he's very thoughtful.